Hello and welcome to 188 Minna. Today we're going to be touring a beautiful condo. It's in a magnificent building with rooftop deck. It also has a shared indoor heated swim pool, an amazing gym, and this building has amazing service as well. We're going to be touring Unit 26B. Okay, so you have beautiful wood floors throughout. This is the first bedroom over here to the left. Each room has amazing views of the city. These are large rooms with spectacular views. Okay, so this one has a nice big closet, full bathroom attached. So there's your sink, toilet, and you have a bathtub and shower combination. Nice glass enclosure. What I love about this is you have private laundry machines in the unit. Okay, back into the entryway, you have more closet space here, all custom shelving, additional closet space. Across the way is a half bath. Here is the second bedroom. You have a huge closet here. This is a nice big walk-in closet. An amazing full bathroom with bathtub and separate shower. And tucked away back here is the toilet. Okay, walking into this bedroom here, you have views on the other side. Beautiful views of the city. Okay, so here is the living room, kitchen. It's got a nice open and flexible floor plan. You have your range, dishwasher, refrigerator. Nice, big, beautiful living room, dining room combination. Okay, if you are interested in this amazing space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.